Turning a cigar box into a fountain pen case or pen case. Try to make this cigar box into a fountain pen case. I'll use these balsa wood strips as dividers, and probably will maybe create a portion for ink and cartridges, or just more of this so that you can have more pens. But I'll be covering the base and sides with some fabric material. Let's see how it goes. So I'll be using this self-adhesive black felt strip to cover up the line, like a lining for the box, and the pens will sit on top. What do you think? See, I've divided into sections for each pen. Now adding the balsa wood dividers. I'm using this bone folder, which is usually used for bookbinding. Using this tool to press in the felt in all the corners. I think I finally completed the pen case or fountain pen or any kind of pen case using a cigar box. So this is what it looks like. You can see the different slots here for the pens, and I added these pockets to add in test papers. So this goes in here. This goes in here. So anyway, if you need to test your fountain pens or your pens, you just grab the sheets of paper to test them. So here are my pens. This is a Pilot Kokuno. It's a really affordable fountain pen. It comes with a cartridge. This is another almost like a disposable preppy fountain pen. It's like only like 3+ Sing dollars. Then I have 3 safari pens, fine nips and up to medium nips, and a bow nip. And this is a safari knockoff. Everyone wants to look like a safari pen. A Lemmy safari, I mean. This is another kind of Lemmy safari knockoff, but with a drawing tip. Not sure you can see. This is my Hero, China-made Hero pen, fountain pen. And this is a Twisby. I like this one because it comes with a large reservoir for your ink. This is just a Schaefer ballpoint pen, and this is what they call a tactical pen. It's full metal with a ratchet kind of pen button. Comes with a glass emergency glass like windshield breaker. Also comes with a whistle. You blow in here. Yep. And also this actually lets you measure. Yeah, so all this goes in here. My little collection. Close it up. And I like the fact that it doesn't roll inside. The pants don't roll around inside. So that's great.